The big thing that's new is WebRTC. We've completed it now, but it was a one-day event on new technology called WebRTC, which is about multimedia enabling browsers to make them essentially into communications clients. Even though that one day's conference is now over, the discussion of WebRTC continues. We got a keynote panel on Wednesday on the real-time web. And it's just an incredibly hot topic. Yesterday, for the session, we had to literally pull out a wall so we could fit everybody who wanted to attend the session. Everybody's talking about it on the floor, and it's a topic that people are going to be talking about for a long time. Other new things on the floor, we have some incredible new exhibitors like Dolby, companies that are coming from areas of the industry that haven't traditionally been in the sort of core communications area. So there's a lot of new constituencies in this market. The video players who were sort of new rising players like Vidtel and Blue Jeans are major presences now this year, in addition to all of that content at the show. So it's really an exciting time in the industry, and there's a ton of new stuff. I think what's going on is people are kind of struggling to figure out what the sort of next generation looks like. The traditional telephony platforms of the PBX, the traditional PSTN is going away, and new technologies that are much more efficient and also give communications, real-time voice and video, a lot more value to the enterprise are starting to emerge and are starting to be something that you can put into business applications, into all sorts of new different sorts of devices, and integrate them with systems like machine-to-machine. The communications is just being woven into the fabric of everything that's on the internet and on the enterprise network. And so what's going on is people are trying to figure out how do I take what that is and make it something that's useful for my enterprise, and how do I understand what my enterprise users could do with those capabilities if they had them, and then how do I sort of put it together. So everybody, whether they're from the legacy world or from the new world, who's on the exhibit floor here, as well as the technologists who come out of those two different worlds, are really looking to try and find a way to put that together. I'm excited about Enterprise Connect because this is the biggest show floor we've ever had. We're taking up more of the Gaylord Palms exhibit space than ever before. Huge booths. We've got a really strong crowd, both on the show floor and in the conference rooms, of people who are looking for new next-gen solutions and are looking for new ideas for how to put those together for their enterprises. I'm excited because there's a lot of new thinking going on. The people we work with, both as presenters here at the show in the conference portion, as well as on our editorial website, No Jitter, which is a daily coverage of this industry associated with Enterprise Connect. Same folks that speak here write for that, and these are people who are really doing some, they're really the thought leaders in this industry, and they're all here talking about what's going on, and you can sense that there's a lot of change, and as the economy seems to pick up and companies are looking to not just sort of retrench generally, but to look for how can I really start to rev up my competitiveness. They're seeing the communications as a way that can do that. It's important to be at Enterprise Connect because this is where all of these constituencies are represented. This is the one place where you can get everything that you need to learn and see everything you need to see, at least that's possible in the space of 4 days if you come to this one place.